Good afternoon. This is Toby Channen reporting live in Salem after the blizzard of 2013, the blizzard Nemo. You know, blizzard, schmizzard. All I have to tell you is it's a beach day. And frankly, unfortunately, they have this driving ban going, so I'm not able to go to the beach. But you know what? There's no better place than my driveway anyways. So, for all of us who survived the blizzard of 2013, I toast you all, I wish you all well, and thank God, it's a miracle. So, I'm going to sit here, the sun's finally coming out, and you know what? Winter schminter, big deal, we're all set. Hope you all enjoyed the blizzard of 2013. Enjoy.